In this video, I'll show you how to play GTA San Andreas online with your friends for free using simple multiplayer methods. Check my video description for this site link. Select the download client. Select this GTA-mp.cz. Select this link. Once download done, check my video description for this second link. Select the download option. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the exe and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open this exe, drag and drop this exe inside. Then go to downloads. Double click on this SA-MP like yes option. Select agree. It's like browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the San Andreas game folder and select OK. Select install option. Once the installation done, select finish. Right click on the game and select open file location. Find this samp.exe. Show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Open this samp.exe. In here, you need to type your name. Once you're done, check my video description for this site link. Select game servers. Select game servers. Choose the server you like to play. Make sure it is GTA San Andreas multiplayer named, and then just copy the address like this. Go back to the multiplayer and select this stick icon over here. Paste the server name we copied and select OK. The server has added to this list. To play, you need to double click, select this connect option. Once you are in game, just type the password. Every time you enter this server, you need to log in with the same password. Once you type the password, select register option. The intro will loads up. You need to press the enter key to skip the intro. And these are the information. Close. We have successfully joined this server and say to my friends to join this server and enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. To see how much player in this server, press the tab key and there are 193 people in this server.